Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So seeing your account has been suspended on Etsy can be alarming, but suspension doesn't always mean permanent closure. Many accounts are suspended automatically due to verification, payment or policy checks and can be restored. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix the your account has been suspended issue on Etsy in 2026 safely and correctly. So first thing first, check Etsy suspension email. So Etsy always sends a notice explaining the suspension. For example, check inbox, spam or junk folder, promotions tab. So look for reasons such as identity verification issue, payment problem, policy violation, security review, or outstanding balance. So the reason determines the fix. Okay, so let's start with the fixes that we can use. For example, the fix common suspicion causes like identity verification issues to upload valid government ID and ensure name matches account details. Okay, there is also payment or billing problem. So pay overdue Etsy fees, update bank or card information. And we have policy violations, so remove prohibited or copyrighted items and correct listing details. Okay, so complete requested actions first. Then submit an appeal. So if appeal option appears, log into Etsy, open suspicion notice, click appeal suspicion, and explain clearly like what happened, actions you corrected, commitment to Etsy policies. Okay, and keep message professional and concise. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.